Hey guys, Astral here. Welcome to the market. Stock market. Let's go. Today is a great day. Hot HOTH hit the scanners with says they have proof of concept. So that news on it, right? Also, right? Something about um making a discovery in Alzheimer's, right? They're testing with Alzheimer's. So boom, that's gonna be hot because if that drug hits the market, it's gonna be hot. Now, this is only a day trade thing until they get FDA approved, or I think they're still testing in mice, so they got a long way to go. So I'm not gonna hold. And if you're a long-term holder, then go ahead. But me, so check it out. We got in at 4,000 shares, right? 4,000 shares at 120, at $1.20. We sold 2,000 at 1.32 because we're scaling out, right? We don't know how high this is gonna go, but it halted. It halted. So since I have 4,000 shares, every time it goes up 10 cents, I make $400. So $40 per penny, right? So I have 2,000 shares left. So every 10 cents is gonna be $200. So if I sold the shares at the 132 at 158 where it halted, I would have made 520 more dollars. So it's halted right at 4:34. So we have to wait 5 minutes. So I have to wait 5 minutes. So it's like I said, 5 hours behind Eastern time. So it's really 4:34. So yeah. So I put in some bids right now. Putting in some bids. Where it's gonna go. It's showing on a bid that people are willing to buy at 3, but there's breaks in it, right? So it only goes up to 158 and halts again. And I sell. So look at the profit loss day. I'm already up $1,001. Halted again. It's halting again. So that's the halt level, right? So I'm gonna hold into another halt, thinking it's gonna go higher, right? So it halts. It halts right now. So I didn't get to sell it. I should have sold. It's at 175. I should have sold. I would have made like 1,100 something. And if I didn't sell the 2,000 shares at 132, I would have made way more. So my profit loss in a day right here, it unhalts, and I seen 1,181. But I'm greedy today. I'm really greedy. I don't know why I'm greedy. I just sold 500 at 162. I should have just probably sold the whole 1,500. And there we go. I end up selling the rest right now, and we're up $856.40 on the day. So forgive my voice, it's kind of hoarse because it's 4 a.m. in the morning. Um, Trading, was fun today. I could have done better. I could have got out more. If we had a 25,000 account, we would have in and out, in and out. Probably would have made 10,000 on this today.